What up, snackies? Your girl coming at you with a mukbang. It's a car mukbang, y'all. These some peri wings from Boomin' Chicken. Boomin' Chicken. It's in Miami, y'all. It's off 22nd and 90th. So these some loaded fries and some peri wings. It's supposed to be peri wings are a thing down here in Miami. It's I'm trying to let y'all see the food. It's what you call it. It's white. It's spicy and sweet. My bad, y'all. I'm so hungry. Let's snack. Your girl way down here in Miami. Basically in the city at that. I don't know why they say sweet and spicy, because to me peri wings just be sweet. Y'all, there's so much activity down here. This the hood. Basically, I'm in the hood, y'all. These loaded fries good. All of this definitely about to be smashed. You know what I'm about to do? I'm trying to be comfortable, but it's a dude that's like was in there talking about I was pretty, and his breath was stinking. I couldn't understand what he said at first, but he kind of whispered it. And then he rolled up on me. He was like, "You pretty, you have pretty eyes." And that breath, I was like, "Wait a minute, sir." I'm about to demolish these fries first, y'all. But they starting to get room temperature. Y'all, look, I'm so damn distracted. I mean, I ain't say that. I'm so darn distracted. I forgot to show y'all. I got my aloe vera juice, mango. And I'm using my camera, my phone. I mean, I'm using my phone for this video, y'all. So the quality might not be there. But y'all get the gist. Y'all can barely see my loaded fries. Everything white. And it's so bright. And I ain't in my car. I'm in my mother-in-law car, and she don't got tents. Yeah, I want the battery died on my car. Well, it's not the battery. It's something electrical that's draining the battery, because just 3 weeks ago I got a brand new battery. Because I thought it was something was wrong with the battery. Good news is I know it ain't the battery no more. Bad news is it's something electrical. And your girl drive a Beamer. So electrical means it's about to be expensive. I ain't got time. Y'all, these fries was fire. It had cheese, bacon, and sour cream. I'm about to drink some of this. Shoot, I'm already almost full. Pretty much anywhere in the city of Miami, you can get some peri wings. So if you ever come down to Miami, ask for peri wings, so you can taste it. Looks like going to Jamaica and not getting a beef patty, or going to Jamaica and not tasting some Ray and Nephew, or some I'm trying to break this chicken apart. And get some of that juice. Came through dripping, drip. Y'all gotta remember to show y'all the food. Ooh. I think it's gonna be my cooking video. My cooking video today. I asked y'all how y'all was doing. How y'all doing? My mama said I be leaving stuff on there, but it look clean to me. And y'all know I like flats. I don't know why I ain't asked for all flats. Yeah, I want to do a story time on my next mukbang. And shout out to Dominique. I think Dominique Pierre. She want me to do a Ethiopian mukbang. And shout out to Love Always. I love you so much, girl. When I tell you, she be coming through on every video for me. And she's so sweet. I think it's a she. Because I tried to click on the profile and I couldn't see if it was like... I think it's a she. Y'all, last piece of chicken. Then I gotta go see the rest of my clients. You know, your girl gotta work and get these therapy hours in. Go be with my little babies. I swear they make my day. You can taste the spice a little bit. I think they use cayenne pepper. Y'all can see that sauce? It's like a reddish color. Yeah, I think they use cayenne pepper. I see it's little small red specks. I can't even. I'm gonna bite it. Y'all know this is my last piece of chicken, right? It's gone after this. Y'all, your girl is done. Let me get me a wet wipe. Y'all, thank you for joining me on this booming chicken car mukbang. I really appreciate it, y'all. It was spontaneous. I did not plan on doing it, but shots out to booming chicken because these pair of wings was fire. Oh, excuse me. They were so good. But again, y'all, thanks for snacking with your girl. Don't forget to subscribe. And hit that bell notification so that you know when SHAI posts a new video. Peace.